The H1B Guy here. And today, the H1B Guy news for the week ending July 26th, 2024. Today, I'll cover Keep STEM Graduates in America Act introduced, an update on company ownership on H1B visa. But before we get started, I'd like to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube and like this video so that I can continue to produce more content like this for you. I also wanted to mention that H1B Guy offers a variety of consulting services. I help businesses and individuals solve complex work authorization issues in the recruitment process while bringing awareness to employment based immigration benefits. If I can help you, please reach out. I'd love to hear how. And you can book an appointment directly with me via the h1bguy.com. Today's news is brought to you by Syndesis, the ideal plan B for high skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain, by PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process, and by Mob Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner, Mob Squad, has a solution. Join the squad. Now, the news. On July 12th, 2024, Congressman Shri Thanedar introduced the Keep STEM Graduates in America. In an exciting development for the future of innovation and economic growth in the U.S., Congressman Shri Thanedar of Michigan's 13th Congressional District introduced H.R. 9023, the Keep STEM Graduates in America Act. This pivotal piece of legislation aims to encourage promising young students from around the world to stay in the U.S. after completing their studies, particularly those in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The Keep STEM Graduates in America Act proposes significant reforms to the H-1B visa process, raising the number of available visas each year and simplifying the application process. Congressman Thanedar, drawing from his personal journey, underscores the importance of this legislation. Quote, as an immigrant whose educational opportunities in the U.S. shaped all of the subsequent opportunities I received, I understand the importance of keeping our most gifted students in the country. His own personal story resonates with many, highlighting how expanded educational and professional opportunities in the U.S. can lead to significant personal and societal achievements. The Act focuses on the visa process for STEM graduates, emphasizing the need to place hardworking and merited students at the forefront of immigration efforts. Quote, by expanding the availability and H-1B visas, making the process to obtain one more simple, Congressman Thanedar explains, we will take an important and tangible step towards a future where those students with the most potential to innovate will innovate in the U.S. Congressman Thanedar acknowledges the challenges associated with acquiring an H-1B visa post-graduation, particularly the tight, strict deadlines that often dictate a student's stay in the country. Quote, deadlines dictating a student's stay in the country are troublesome, he says. This is precisely why I'm proposing a revision with respect to extensions. These revisions aim to provide graduates with the necessary time to secure employment and fully integrate into the U.S. workforce. About 300,000 Indian students and millions of foreign students will benefit from this bill. It's a crucial bill, as in the tough job market, they need more time to find appropriate opportunities to contribute to the U.S. economy. Congressman Thanedar firmly believes that every student deserves ample time to find employment and determine the best fit for their talents. Quote, this bill is just one of many that I support because they bring us closer to a more equitable world while creating a more robust economy to the benefit of Americans and Michiganders. What's interesting about this piece of legislation, albeit not identical, back on June 20th, 2024, in an episode of the All In podcast, former President Trump stated that foreign students who graduated from college in the U.S. should receive a green card so that they can stay in this country. Quote, you graduate from a college, I think you should get a green card automatically as part of your diploma. A green card to be able to stay in this country, and that includes junior colleges too. This is clearly a sign there's a softening on defining a pathway to work authorization and or permanent residence for international students that are US educated. On July 17th, 2024, USCIS in an update under the section FAQs for individuals in H1B non-immigrant status, company ownership on H1B visa. Typically, an employer sponsors an H1B visa, but what if you're both the employer and the employee? For individuals with a controlling interest in a company owning more than 50% or holding majority rights, the path to H1B sponsorship has become more accessible. Previously, stricter regulations often hindered such individuals from qualifying. However, recent policy changes have clarified the situation. It's clear that the US government recognizes the value of foreign entrepreneurs and their contributions to the economy. This positive shift in policy can encourage more talented individuals to start businesses in the US, creating jobs and driving innovations. Key points to remember: controlling interest. Owning more than 50% of a company generally qualifies you for an H1B sponsorship. Specialty occupation. Your role must meet the criteria for a specialty occupation. Labor conditions. Adherence to Department of Labor requirements regarding prevailing wages and working conditions is essential. This is undoubtedly a step in the right direction. By fostering a welcoming environment for entrepreneurs, the U.S. can strengthen its position as a global leader in innovation and economic growth. If you own more than half of a company, you're now more likely to qualify for an H1B visa. That's right, you could be your own boss and get a visa to work in the US. Now, there are still some hoops to jump through, like proving your job is specialized and meeting those labor conditions. But overall, it's definitely better news for entrepreneurs already working under or seeking an H1B visa. This is huge for anyone looking to start a business here in the US. The more high skilled and talented people means more innovation and job creation. So let's hope that this opens the door for some amazing new companies in the very near future. For the full post on the H1B Guy news for the week ending July 26th, 2024, please check out the h1bguy.com. And a reminder that today's news is brought to you by Syndesis, the ideal plan B for high skilled immigrants currently located in the U.S. whose status may be uncertain. If you're facing an H1B denial or OPT expiration, don't get caught off guard. Make sure you have a plan B, and Syndesis is your answer. They'll gladly help you navigate the process. And if you'd like to find out if you qualify, please be sure to use the link in the video description below, and someone from Syndesis will be in touch. By PERM-Ads.com, the industry leader in providing a seamless experience for employers and immigration attorneys navigating the complex PERM recruitment ad phase of the labor certification process. If you're looking to reduce your cost and overhead associated with PERM labor certification recruitment advertising, let PERM-Ads.com help you. And by Mod Squad. Are you a technology professional facing U.S. work visa related challenges? Don't leave your fate up to chance. Our partner Mob Squad has a solution. Mob Squad helps technology professionals facing U.S. work visa related uncertainty remain working with their current U.S. employer nearshore from Canada, as well as technology professionals from around the world who are seeking to find a rewarding opportunity in North America. Through their partnership with the Canadian government, they can obtain a Canadian work permit for you and your spouse in as little as 4 to 6 weeks. So, whether you're looking to stay working with your current U.S. employer or you want to find a new opportunity in Canada, please find out how the team at Mob Squad can help you via the link in the video description below. Join the squad. Just wanted to ask you again to please like this video, subscribe to the H1B Guy channel here on YouTube, and click the bell for notifications so that you're notified anytime we post new content here to this channel. If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support. The H1B Guy, your global source for all things H1B.